guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about how I study for my tests or exams. Now without further ado, let's get started. My tip number 1 is use resources given by a teacher. Now, I have seen many people who have more than 10 textbooks and they try to learn everything from those textbooks. But I think that having multiple textbooks or having multiple resources is just waste of time because you are concentrating on various resources and you don't find the correct information. You tend to get confused from the information you are given, and that's why I feel like having one textbook given by a teacher or having one resource given by a teacher is the most effective thing you can do. And you have one source of information, you don't feel confused, and you tend to learn better. So this is the number one tip which I recommend you, is that having a resource given by a teacher. Just depend on that. Don't look at any other websites. If you wanna have, and if your teacher says you to do and to find more information related to the topic, then you can go ahead and do it. But I think having one resource given by a teacher is the best thing you can do for your exam. Tip number 2 is having a study routine. Having a study plan, this helps me so much, because having a study plan is the most wisest thing you can do, because you have a clear idea of what you're going to do throughout the day and you will not feel stressed about learning all the portions. You have a clear idea of what you're going to study throughout the month, and also you will not feel stressed on the day of exam because you have covered all your syllabus. And I also recommend you to leave 1 or 2 weeks before your exam and not learn during that time, just because anything can come up. So I highly recommend you to leave 1 or 2 weeks before your exam so that you have a span of time where you can adjust your schedule. My tip number 3 is find the smartest method. This is the most important thing I would recommend you to do. For example, I have seen many people who have these many bulky books which cannot be read on the day of the exam. And I prefer you to assign a day where you can read throughout the text book and make notes or highlight important points from the textbook so that you can learn easily on the day of exam. And just for revision, you can either use it for your exam or you could just use it as a revision for your next lecture. Tip number 4 is doing the hardest thing first. Doing the most hardest thing is so helpful because this will help you reduce your stress. Also, it will give you more time to learn the hardest topic. It will also help you to learn easily and better. Tip number 5 is time management. Managing your time is just so important because it gives you more time to study, and if anything comes up, you have a backup plan. You will also give yourself time to study and plan out your day so that you can complete your syllabus and learn easily without stress. Managing your time is the most helpful tip I can give you. Managing your time is just so important for us and gives a sense of self discipline in yourself. It will also help you to learn better and easier. If you want to know how to manage your time wisely and how you can start managing your time, then I have uploaded a video on time management. So do check that out for more time management tips. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, then please like and share. And if you want to see more study related videos, then please subscribe to my channel.